back in Moab for round 2 on my road trip adventure. Today, in theory, we're doing top of the world. The weather is questionable. I don't know what it is about this year. I come to Moab in the desert and it's just rain. We're doing top of the world. In theory, we're doing Wipeout Hill tomorrow. It's supposed to rain Sunday. It's raining now, so who knows what happens next. I'm looking forward to getting back on the trails. After the whole decision about not going on the Rubicon, I'm itching to get back on and do some trails. And Moab is honestly my favorite place to do trails. Let's do it. Every good trail ride starts with airing down your tires. The fun part of this ride was that it's one of the few times I actually have video of me wheeling on a trail. It was awesome. When we came up to this next obstacle, I wanted to try a different way. And right about here, we can see that my choice was the wrong one. We tried to wiggle me out of it, but it just wasn't working. I was turtled real good. And yes, that is me with my hands out the window, so everyone knows I'm not trying to do anything with the Jeep. After stacking a few rocks, I was able to reverse out of my situation, and I was grateful for my new skid plates. I get to tell the Florida girls, look what I tried.
You got it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I'm
awesome.
so confused. Oh, that might not give you the angle you're looking for. The angle of your dangle is wrong.
Come on, everybody disco.
What's a good disco song?
Disco Inferno.
I fucking hate that song. Every single time I ride Guardians of the Galaxy, I get Disco Inferno. It's awful. Play Disco Inferno. It. You're not gonna hear the music in the video.
Top of the world!
Worth it.
Absolutely.
Worth it. Like, look how pretty it is. 5 below in Lake Tahoe. It was a great day. Our next day found us making our way towards Wipeout Hill, which was a lot different than we expected because we came in from the backside. It looks a lot different on this side though than it did over there. We're gonna hang out, right? We're more disco people than...
Yeah, we're more disco than that.
We're disco, not dumbass. Julie doesn't know it yet, but she's like my best trail friend. She might know it actually.
I might know it now. Because I like her disco ball.
Well, Wipeout Hill is a washout because that's incredibly hard. And now we have to turn around. For my last side quest on Side Quest Sunday, I am here. It's just about 4 p.m. We can enter Arches now without a reservation. And this is what Side Quest Sunday is all about. Let's go. Unlike Canyonlands, I'm ready this time. I got my backpack, I got water, I got treats, and I got my knocks. I'm not even gonna think too hard about it. Just gonna go for it. YOLO. Yay, Apple Watch is gonna record a hike for me for the first time ever. So this is that moment where I do wonder if I've bit off more than I can chew, but we're in it to win it now. Oh boy. Holy crap. This is legit. That looks hard.
Red Rising.
All right. I mean, how am I getting up there? How am I getting down there? It's probably a better question. Yeah, they aren't kidding. This is hard. Okay, I'm still going. I'm still going. We're coming up with the part I knew about and have been worried about, and now it's too late to worry because I'm here. There's no choice. I don't see a walking path. Everything's fine. I did it. final mission of Side Quest Sunday is achieved. That is Delicate Arch. Now I just have to get myself back down, and that's going to be challenging. And with that, Side Quest Sunday is well and truly over. Moab is great. I love it here. There's so much to see. I am so tired. Time to have dinner, shower, and go to bed. Then it's time for the penultimate leg of this journey, which is Maris Off-Road Adventure Park.